Hi everybody, Spencer Morris here on Art Night. Today is May 12th. We're making this movie for Art Night, and we've been a sponsor of Art Night for a couple of years, and it's a really great event. And we're happy to join you with this little demonstration of grafting apple trees. This is coming to you from Sowam Cider Works in Warren, and this is something that I've been doing now in the cidery, right in the seating room, and I've been able to catch up on it this year for the first time in a little while. So why do we graft? We graft because apple trees do not come true to seed. You plant the seed of an apple tree, you will not get the fruit that the seed came from. So in order to reproduce apple trees commercially, we need to do it clonally, and that traditionally is done with grafting. Now there are several different techniques depending on the situation that you're dealing with. Today we're going to be bench grafting here with two pieces, the rootstock and the fruit wood. And the whole idea of grafting is to join the two together surgically, if you will, to produce a size-controlled tree, a tree of a specific size. In this case, this is a semi-standard Malling 111 rootstock. This will give us a pretty good sized tree. And we're grafting to it fruit wood of the Dabinet variety. This is a very popular cider apple. Seems to grow pretty well in my orchard, and I'd like to have a few more of them. So this year we've grafted over 20 different varieties, and some are new varieties, but also some of the tried and true varieties. We want to make a few more trees. So the way we do it is with a scarf joint, essentially. It's called a whip and tongue joint. This is typically done when you have fruit wood that is the same diameter as the rootstock. The rootstocks here came to me last spring bare rooted, and I potted them and grew them out for the summer. So we have a good sturdy root base, and these are really ready to go. It's a little late in the season to do this, but I'm confident these will take. So what we do is we'll take the top of the tree off, and then we'll cut a scarf joint here. I pre-cut this joint today just to keep the video short. I'm not very fast at it, but I've had some success rate. I'm trying to improve on it. In any case, you cut two slanting bias cuts, and then a small tongue to interlock the two pieces. So hopefully these will fit right together. Yep, here we go. And the diameters match pretty closely. And I just like to give that a little knock that baby right down in there. And the important thing is to make sure that the cambium layer, which is the vital layer below the bark, between the outer bark and the hardwood, and those are the growth cells for the tree. And once those align between the two parts, almost immediately the tree begins to heal that wound and bring the two parts together. We want to also bind it so that they really come close to each other. And then, so we'll do this with this rubber band, which will be removed later so it doesn't strangle the tree as it develops. We want to establish good growth on one of these buds, and in about a month's time we'll strip away this rubber band. But that'll hold all the pieces together very, very tightly. And the other thing we need to do is make sure it doesn't dry out. So we use this paraffin tape. It's somewhat self-sealing, and it'll keep water from the outside getting in and moisture from the inside getting out until that wound heals over. And lastly, we use a little bit of wax to seal the very tip of the graft. Scion, a little bit of nomenclature, rootstock, scion wood. And And scion wood is harvested in the dormant season usually in February, and then put in the refrigerator and brought out for the grafting. Just a quickie on those cuts. You basically draw the knife, and it has to be a very sharp knife. That's why I have tape on my thumb, to make that bevel cut. And then the tongue is made by making a small cut like this. And then you trim it I trim it to 2 buds, so you have 2 chances of a successful shoot, and then you'll pick one of them, whichever is the most vigorous. So that's a quick demonstration on a whip and tongue graft, and hopefully it'll take, and we'll have some nice new davonets growing in the orchard. All of these trees here will be Cider 2024. So please don't wait until then. Come down to Sowam Cider Works. Thanks.